Okay, so now if I click on this, go to Smart Notes, it's going to take me to the list of notes, but that notes is not looking that great. So we need to add some styles for the notes now. Okay, so let's get to our code and we'll close all of these things here. Okay, I'm gonna minimize all of this stuff and let's go to the notes app here. Okay, so inside that, let's go to templates, let's go to notes list, and this is where we have to style most of the stuff now. Okay, so what we're going to do here is after the content, I'm going to create a div. Actually, I need to change this to HTML again. So let's change that to HTML. Okay, so when it's a div dot row, the div dot call, and inside that we need to specify most of the stuff. The first thing is I'm going to specify this. Just cut this and paste it over here. Okay, so here, actually this is the heading, so I'm just going to cut this. So div dot notes list heading. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to get rid of this thing, and here we're going to say text center, and then we need to change the size, that is FS4, I guess that will do. So if I hit refresh, you can see that we have these other notes. That looks pretty good now. And after this, I'm going to add another row, so div dot row, and here we're going to say div dot call, and this is where actually I have to list notes. So what we can do is we can use cards. We have cards inside the Bootstrap 5. We can make use of that to make it look much better. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this for loop over here. I'm just going to cut this and paste it over here. I'm going to use the end for, I'm just going to cut it and paste it over here. Okay, inside this, actually this was supposed to go to the top here. Great. Okay, so inside this, we're going to say div dot call md, and I'm going to set this to 4 because I need 3 cards in every section, like 3 cards in one row. Okay, so inside this, when I say div dot card, say div dot card header, and this is where I want to display the title. Okay, so I already have the name for the title. Just cut this and paste it over here. Now I don't have any job for this, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Okay, and now I need to add the card body. So it's a div dot card body, and inside this we need to add the text. So I'm going to use the paragraph tag here, and we can say note dot text. Okay, so I'll save that. Let's get back over here. Let's hit refresh. Wow, that looks beautiful, right? But it's kind of not organized that well, and also need some spacing here. So let's add some spacing. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to say MB3. So it's going to add some spacing at the bottom. Let's hit refresh. I guess we need some more spacing. So MB5 will do. Let's hit refresh. Okay, that looks better. And here's the thing, like it's showing up all the content of that particular node. I don't want to show up all the content. I want to show only 10 characters. So we can fix that by using pipes. So what we can do here is we can give a pipe, and we can say trunk characters, and I want to set it to 10. Okay, so only 10 characters will be shown. So if I hit refresh, I can see only 10 characters will be shown, but everything else is just 3 dots.